In this video, I will show you how to install YouTube Music on your smart TV without Google Play Store or App Store. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Now, if you want to get a YouTube Music application on your smart TV, but you don't have Google Play Store or App Store, or maybe you've not seen the application in your App Store, this is what you can do. Now, you come over to this application called Downloader. Now, this is a very easy to use application. I love this application so much. If you don't have the application on your smart TV, check the description of this video. There is a short guide on how to install Downloader to your smart TV. So once you install Downloader after watching the short guide, you just go ahead and launch it. Now what Downloader does is that it helps you source files, media from across the internet, and you can download and install to your smart TV. So you come back to YouTube Music and in the search bar, go to the search bar and type in YouTube Music. Once you type in YouTube Music, you're just going to click on Go. Alright, you want to install the YouTube Music application to your smart TV. So you come over here and download is going to suggest you various options or various sources on the internet where you can install the application to the smart TV. So please always make sure that you're using the official website. Alright, so you scroll to the bottom here. As you can see on the bottom, this is the application. Come over to this option here. You click on that. This is the right option. Right, so you can try other options. It just depends on which one is right. So yes, this is the right application. YouTube Music. You can see 1.1 billion downloads. Come out to install and click on install, and the application is going to be installed and downloaded to your smart TV. Remember, you don't need the Google Play application or on your smart TV here.